Hey everyone. So today we're going to be comparing the Dollar Tree stacker and the Mr. Stacky. These are two really common and popular systems that I do hear about, so I thought I would try them out. Now, this is going to be a comparison video, so we're only going to be talking about the differences. Anything that they have both the same strengths, I'm not going to cover that. There are individual review videos that I'll link, and you can check them out for each individual system. So we'll only primarily cover their differences. So we'll be going over the design, the planting capacity, watering, and the cost breakdown. And then who, at the end, who might consider one or the other. So at the end of the day, we're going to see, does it make sense to buy the Dollar Tree stacker, or is it worth paying more for the Mr. Stacky or any other more premium version? So since we're talking about the cost already, let's start with the cost. So the Mr. Stacky comes in a 5-tier system, so we're going to compare 5 tiers to 5 tiers. The Dollar Tree, each tier costs $1.25. There's no 5-pack or anything like that. It's you buy each layer as you need it. So each one here, this is a 5-tier system, $1.25 each, comes out to, what is that, like $6.25 for the entire system on the left. On the right-hand side, you have the 5-tier Mr. Stacky. That does come in a 5-tier system, and it does come with the base pan as well. And for mine, I believe I paid $17 or $18, but it does fluctuate in price depending on what color you pick. I think I see them as much as 20 or 25, but that's about the price range that we see. So in a nutshell, it's 3 to 4 times more expensive to get the Mr. Stacky, although that sounds way crazier when I say it like that, right? If I say the Mr. Stacky is 3 to 4 times more expensive than the Dollar Tree, it sounds way more expensive, but we're talking $6 to $18 to $25. So definitely more, but not as crazy as it sounds when I say 3 to 4x. So next, let's talk about planting capacity. So I liked saying 5 tiers earlier because not only does it match the same number of tiers, but also they both have the same soil requirements at 5 tiers. So I like doing that. Now, the Mr. Stacky is 4 pockets per tier. As you can see, there's 4 corners, like a 4-leaf clover, and then you stack it perpendicular to each other. Whereas the Dollar Tree one is actually 3 pockets. So there is more soil per plant, if you want to say it that way, since it is the same soil amount for both of them. But the Mr. Stacky at 5 tiers and 4 pockets will come out to 20 plants in the same number of space, whereas the Dollar Tree will come to 15 plants for the same number of tiers. You can of course always add tiers if you wanted to, since they're $1.25 each. You can stack them up higher, but that's something to take into consideration. Next, let's talk about design and build quality. So by design, as you can probably see already, the Mr. Stackies are taller. So both are being 5-tier. It literally looks like there's 1 extra tier height-wise, but the Dollar Tree ones are wider, as you can see from the top view here. So the Mr. Stacky ones are definitely more narrow and tall, and the Dollar Tree ones are shorter and wider, which might help with stability. Having a shorter one does lead to better stability. I'm just doing like a single finger to push. I find that they're both pretty good, but this one does feel a little bit less stable. Now, in terms of stability, something that you can't see is that the Mr. Stacky actually has a built-in center hole if you want to put a PVC pipe, and that will increase stability. So that's really great if you want to go even higher. Like I believe they say you can go up to 10 layers, and you definitely would want a PVC pipe when you go past 5. Or if you live in a very windy area, you may install it right away. I don't, so I left that one alone. I feel like you could drill a hole if you wanted to do something similar, but it's not included by default. The other thing to consider is the drain holes. So I do have an extra Dollar Tree stacker here. The drain holes are underneath each pocket, but there's no drain holes in the center. And that's something that we'll cover a bit later. Whereas the Mr. Stackies are the opposite. And as you can see, the drain holes are all in the center because these are the actual pocket bottoms because they kind of taper down a little bit. And so all of the holes are in the bottom, and this is that big hole that I was talking about if you want to put a PVC pipe down the middle. Both are extremely light. As you can see, I was able to pick up both of them fairly easily, and that is something else to consider there. Lastly, we should talk about the materials. So the Mr. Stacky is made of food grade or food safe plastic, so you can plant any type of food there. You don't hear the same thing from Mr. Stacky, or sorry, the Dollar Tree stacker. As you can see here, even in their sticker, it does say showcase your flowers or herbs. And that's all it really mentions. And there's nothing descriptive to say that it is food safe. That doesn't mean it's not, but because they're not advertising it, I'm reluctant to plant any other, anything that I'm gonna eat besides herbs, since they do mention herbs there. So that is a difference in the material type. The other thing too, I do have a caliper with me. So as you can see, I am going to measure the thickness so that you can actually see what the thickness of it is. So if I go to, oops, if I go right here, and I'm just going to as you can see, that is somewhere in between. You have to look at the out, and that is close to somewhere between 1/32 and 1/16 of an inch. On the flip side, that is the Mr. Stacky that is clearly in the 1/16 of an inch. So you can definitely feel it. I'm just measuring it so that you can kind of see it. But when you feel the two systems, you can definitely feel the difference. So judging by that, it is about, it's kind of hard to tell since the numbers look close. It might be, 50% bigger, maybe even close to actually, if I check it right here, this is my spare one that's easier to measure. If I do that, it's actually closer to that 1/32 line. So yeah, it's almost twice as thick. So something to take into consideration. Now, in terms of watering, actually, last thing I will mention, if you do have an older version of the Dollar Tree stacker, I have heard people comment on my other videos and also other reviews online that say that it used to be thicker. So unfortunately, I got these recently, so I only have the recent data, but a lot of people are saying the old ones were thicker. So something to take into consideration if you've checked out some older reviews. All right, now in terms of watering, both water and trickle down, the biggest difference here is how they trickle down. So the Dollar Tree stacker, if you recall, the holes are underneath each cup or each of the pockets, nothing in the middle. So you do have to water each of the top two layers so that the layers will water down and hit the next layer. If you only water the very top, you're going to hit every other layer in a way. So you have to water the top two pockets very well, or just water the entire tower. Whereas technically, the Mr. Stacky, because it was in the middle, you can technically water the top one, assuming the roots have established, and it will drain straight through and water the other layers as well. So something to take into consideration there as well. Both of these are tiny, so you're gonna have to water them fairly frequently. And having that little drip pan on the bottom does help a little bit on, catching some extra water and having it absorb a little bit, but nothing too noticeable. And I did also try an experiment where I plugged up these holes and didn't pop them out. And I didn't notice that maybe it helped like with a half day, maybe an extra day, but it just means that you will definitely have to water each pocket. All right, so that's all the comparisons. So who should buy each stacker, or which one do I prefer? So if it's something short term, like it's short term, or you're experimenting and trying to figure out, what's right for you, definitely go with the Dollar Tree stacker. I mean, spend only a few bucks, $6, and figure out, hey, is this right for me? Maybe it's an experiment. Maybe it's something short term. These are fantastic. I'm sure they'll hold up. I don't think they'll last as long as the Mr. Stacky, but it feels like it will probably hold up, and a lot of other readers have said that they do last longer than you think. So, if you're just growing some flowers, want to experiment, something simple, I don't see a problem with it. If you're growing food that you're going to eat, I think you should definitely get the Mr. Stacky, just because it's made of food grade plastic, and that's something that unfortunately I can't ignore. Luckily, the prices are fairly close for the two, so something to be aware of. You'll have to pay an extra maybe $12 for the white Mr. Stacky, and that could be worth it if you're trying to grow something that you want to eat. So hopefully this was really helpful. As time goes on, if I find out how long the Dollar Tree one lasts, I'll definitely report back and let you know how these things fare after a year or two. If you have any questions about either of these systems, please leave a comment and I'm happy to answer them. Thanks, everyone.